What are you doing there? What am I doing here? I'm actually enjoying myself overlooking this beautiful pool, the amazing gardens, the countryside, the blue skies, and where am I? I'm in a slightly elevated area of Maroni today. We have amazing distant sea views from here. This is a lovely 3-bed house with a 1-bed self-contained apartment just over there and an art studio. This property has got so much to offer. Look at the size of the land, 1,000 square meters. You know what? You need to go and have a look around and see for yourself. And I'm far too busy to show you around today, so bye-bye. See you later. Finished already? So, you viewed the house? What do you think? This could all be yours. It's currently on the market for €750,000 and all you have to do is book a viewing. What are you waiting for? Give us a call, drop us an email, leave a comment below. You know you want to.